Netflix and AWS partnership discussion. It is a role play topic where my students are playing here. There are 5 characters here. So the scenario is Netflix engineer meets AWS representation to discuss improvements in content delivery, scalability, uptime and data analytics. So the 5 characters are:
I'm Netflix cloud engineer, AWS solution architect,
streaming operation manager,
data analyst and customer support head.
Good morning everyone. Thanks for joining this strategy section. As Netflix continues to expand globally, we are seeing increasing demand on our cloud infrastructure. AWS has been our trusted partner, but we have like to review how we can further enhance our scalability and uptime.
Good morning, Ravi and team. Absolutely, AWS is proud to power Netflix. Operation across 190 plus countries. Meaning your streaming traffic peak during new realities like Stranger Things and Money Hitless. And our goal is to ensure shameless scalability and performance during those sprints.
exactly during the big times, traffic surge almost 300% during the current step handling it, but sometimes religion latency increase, especially in South America and Southeast Asia. We did like to address that.
We were looking for ways to optimize auto scaling and load distribution. Maybe sometimes using AWS never edge computing or catching features.
That's a good direction. Let's explore that in detail.
So the next we have to discuss scalability and uptime.
Currently, we are using EC2 instance and elastic loader balancing. During peak hours, auto scaling is easy, but spin up time can still delay performance slightly.
Understood. One solution could be AWS graduation-based EC2 instance. They are faster and cost efficient. We can also integrate AWS Lambda for a certain event drive workload, reducing density and instant provision.
How about improving uptime? We already have multi-region deployment, but least quarter a small outage in one region caused temporary content delivery issues.
For even high availability, we can explore multi-activeness. This means all regions service active traffic simulation instead of just failover scalability. It reduces latency and ensures continuous availability.
That sounds promising. We can also integrate AWS Route 53 latency based routing to automatically direct user to the nearest least busy region.
Exactly. And to improve reliability further, you might want to choose engineering experiment like your cache monkey, but expanded using AWS fault injection simulation for more failure testing.
It would give us deeper insights into realization under heavy loads. It includes the normal.
Next, we are going to discuss about the improving the data analytics. How we improving the data analytics here?
Now moving to analytics, we are collecting about petabytes of user data daily, watch history, past time and preferences and device details. We currently process this using AWS S3, EMR and Redshift. But analytics cycle take longer during peak instant periods.
You could adopt AWS Glow for data cataloging and transformation, automation, and more towards serviceless analysis with an Amazon for fearless directly on the S3 data.
Interesting. That would be reduced latency for our recommendation algorithm. We can also explore Amazon SegMaker to enhance our personalization models.
Yes, SegMaker can train model at scale using distribution GPU clusters. It scale reference recommendations and predict rates.
That will definitely help our next episode. And because you watch suggestions, ensuring each user speed is perfectly targeted.
And with improved analytical pipeline, we can feed insights directly into our operations dashboard, helping teams react to streaming issues. So, to summarize our next steps, Upgrade to multi-active regional architecture for higher uptime. Adopt gravitation instance and this will give us 360-degree view performance, user experience and sentiment all in one dashboard.
Exactly. AWS also offers an X-ray for end-to-end monitoring, so your teams can variously where occurs in real time.
This integration between analytics and the customer experience will make our service even more proactive. Users shouldn't have report problems. We should detect and fix this first.
From a customer experience perspective, our biggest challenge is streaming quality fluctuation during regional congestion. Users notice buffering or quality drops in some time zones.
True, even though we use Open Connect and the Cloud Font, edge performance could be further enhanced.
We can enable AWS Cloud Font. Edge caches can to process content closer to viewers that will reduce round trip internet significance.
And can we integrate user feedback analytics from the support system into our data pipeline? It would help identify regions or devices with recurring issues.
Yes, we can process support tickets with the NLP model and AWS compared to detect common complaints or streaming issues authority.
So to summarize our next steps, upgrade to multi-active regional architecture for higher uptimes, adopt gravitation instance and lambda functions for better scalability, modernize analytics using AWS Glue, Athena and SigMaker, improve customer experience using CloudFronts, edge caching and components.
That's a solid action plan. AWS will assign a solution to help your pilot this improvement into region first.
Great, with better analytics and user experience insights, we will be more responsive to customer needs.
And operationally, this will give us more reliance and lower latency globally.
Thank you everyone. This partnership continues to the backbone of our innovation. Together we will ensure Netflix continues to deliver the smoothest streaming experience on earth.
Agreed. Let's make streaming even smarter, faster and more reliable.
So excellent presentation team. This role play showcased how real world collaboration between a service provider, that is AWS, and a client, Netflix, drives innovation through cloud scalability, uptime and analytics. So you demonstrated strong understanding of cloud architect, customer centric strategy and business impact. Well done.